Hey everybody, it's Miss Susan. Thanks for joining me today. Well, I have a cute little song that I want to share with you today. It goes along with the story, brown bear, what do you see? But we're going to be using mittens when we say that story. And I have a mitten stick puppet. I mean, how cute is that? So if you would like to make one of these stick puppets too, check out the link in the description. It'll share with you all the information that you'll need on how to make this cute little puppet. Well, it goes like this. Red mitten, what do you see? I see a yellow mitten looking at me. Yellow mitten, what do you see? I see a purple mitten looking at me. Purple mitten, what do you see? I see a blue mitten looking at me. Blue mitten, what do you see? I see a yellow mitten looking at me. Yellow mitten, what do you see? I see a green mitten looking at me. Green mitten, what do you see? I see Miss Susan looking at me. And it's super simple. You just want to have all of your puppets close to you. And what's fun is have them look at each other. And then when one goes off stage, just have it kind of bounce off stage. Super simple and quick. My name is Miss Susan. If you like what you've seen today, please make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification button so each time I create a video, you'll get notified. Share it with your friends and family and your coworkers. Let them know what they're doing, what I'm doing. If they'd like to learn how to use puppets during their story time, check me out. Let them know. Otherwise, this is Miss Susan. Thanks so much again. Bye.